Flood watch. Wait, this is a PHI flood watch. Okay, WXL has not gone off yet. What? This is an expanded flood watch. PHI has expanded the flood. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Okay, that's interesting. So PHI has just expanded the flood watch. WNG's going back. Probably CTP now. I don't know. Yup, CTP's relay. It's not called Unata, it's Juniata.
Southern lightning, northern, Union, New York. Wind from 5 p.m. this afternoon into this evening. Impact. Excessive runoff will result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other lowline and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams will rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Thunderstorms with intense rainfall rates around 2 inches per hour could result in isolated and scattered instances of flash flooding. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible within a short 6-hour duration, with locally higher amounts up to 5 inches possible.
They have already toned the PHI expansion, and now they've toned CTPs. Now they just have to tone LWX, because Cecil County's in it. WNG again. Probably LWX's flood watch. And yet KIH is still yet to relay theirs.
What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? The District of Columbia.
Yup.
Including the following areas: Illinois, Carroll, Eagle, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Frederick, Maryland, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, and Southern Baltimore.
I want to see if WKDN is already going off for the PHI flood watch. Okay, I guess they go when KIH does.
Nelson, Northern Fauquier, Northwest Prince William, Rappahannock, Southern Fauquier, and Western Montana. Wind from 5 p.m. this afternoon into this evening. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms will track across the area late this afternoon into the evening. Storms will be capable of producing very heavy rainfall, with 1 to 3 inches possible or multiple rounds occur. Widespread rainfall totals and records are expected, with localized maximum of 2 to 4 inches. Please visit www.weather.gov. Safety flash. For flood safety and safety information, you should not consider forces. Prepare to take action should flood
There we go. There we go. There we go. HH failed. Here we go. There we go. Finally. Oh no, the HH went.
Flood watch now in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight.
Uh-oh.
What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? portions of East Texas, Northeast, and Southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: the East Central Pennsylvania, York, Louisville, and Wisconsin. In Northeast Pennsylvania, College and Monroe. In Southeast Pennsylvania, Delaware, Eastern.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch now in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. Watch flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. Another round of heavy showers and thunderstorms is expected late this afternoon through this evening. Storms will be capable of dropping a quick 1 to 2 inches of rainfall within a 1 to 3 hour period, leading to flash flooding. Isolated amount of 2 to 4 inches will be possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood your ship monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Another round of heavy showers and thunderstorms is expected late this afternoon through this evening. Storms will be capable.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch period leading to flash flooding. Isolated amounts of 2 to 4 inches will be possible. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood your ship monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. From 3 p.m. this afternoon.
Okay, I guess we wait now for Newcastle County, Delaware, parts of New Jersey, and then Cecil County, Maryland. Yup, they're going now. Probably Cecil County.
The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from
5 p.m. this afternoon through this evening.
gospel to lead us into by excessive rainfall is possible. Where the District of Columbia and portions of Maryland, including
On to the second section. What's the second section about?
it's about Central and Southeast Montgomery, Frederick, Maryland, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, and Southern Baltimore and Virginia, including the following areas: Albemarle, Arlington Falls Church, Alexandria, Central and Southeast Prince William, Manassas Park, Culpeper, Eastern Loudoun, Fairfax, Greene, Madison, Nelson. 5 p.m. this afternoon through this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. Showers and thunderstorms will track across the area late this afternoon into this evening. Storms will be capable of producing very heavy rainfall, with 1 to 3 inches possible in an hour where stationary cells or multiple rounds occur. Widespread rainfall totals may be expected with localized maxes of 2 to 4 inches. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood for flood safety and preparedness information you should monitor later forecast and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.